Hey everyone, it's Gary and I'm finally back. I'm here in my new, I don't know what you want to call this, my workspace basically. I got a new car here. I want to unbox it and show all you guys, and let's just start with that. Alright, here we go. As you can see, it's from HPI. Some of you guys already know what this is. Some of you don't. Some of you don't care. Let's get it. Alright, let me pull it out of this box and give you guys a better look at that. Alright, got this out of that box. Very little space here, so that was kind of a little crazy. So as you can see, I got the HPI 5R. This is the Mustang. Those of you who know me know I'm a Mustang guy. If you don't, yeah, I'm a Mustang guy. Alright, let's crack this open. See, is there anything down here? There you go. Can you guys see that? That's what it's going to look like, hopefully. I could do without the orange, but nothing available right now. Planning to turn this into a dragster. Hopefully that works out. And I wanted to run it with the guys over at Floyd Bennett Field. And my other guys, Sean, Alfred, you guys know John Bodegel. Alright. Right on top we got the extra wing. This is more of a wing than what's on the car. Let me tilt this so you guys can see it. Alright, let me pull this out of the box, because like I said, I'm tight on space here, and we'll be back. Alright, so this is it. I already pulled the pins out because they're a little bit of a pain in the ass to do, so I'll save some time. Pull the body off. And let's see. Just give you guys a better look at the body here. There's the nose. Did you see that? Here we go. There's the nose. Just to show you some of the top profile, side. There's that ass. Alright. Let's put this over here. So you guys can see I got a ton of stuff behind me too. This is gonna fall. I'm going to be building a computer. If you guys are interested in watching computer stuff, stay tuned to my channel. I'll have that on there too. Alright, so underneath the body they got the remote. It's a TF45. Probably won't be using this, but it's here. Got an extra grip. I think the shocks might be leaking. They're all kind of oily, very greasy. It might be for lubrication, I'm not sure. But there was some oil on the body in one spot, and this box that was in there has a grease stain on it. So I think this is just a space. Yep, just cardboard. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the charger. Yep, we got all the different plugs for the different countries, and if anybody needs this, I guess you can comment down below and I'll give it to you, but I wouldn't recommend using it. Okay. We got lots of stickers. Let me show you those first so I can put them somewhere so I don't get ruined. This is one sheet. It's got a lot of, I'm not even sure what these are for. Racing stripes, HPI Racing. Looks like a windshield. It has the windshield front, back, and sides. We got numbers, so you can put your number on the car, whatever number you like. These are a nice size too. And sponsorships. It looks like they already pulled off some of them. Probably the ones that were in the car, but there we go. Okay, those are all the stickers we got. So here we got the manual, the warranty, and some AA batteries for the remote. And there's also a antenna tube over here, nice and long one. Don't think I'll be using that either. Okay. Need to get one of Botogel's axes for this unboxing because my knife is kind of dull. Alright, so they gave us some 2-cycle oil, HPI Racing 2-cycle oil. Looks like we got some Baja shock oil, 40 weight. We got air filter oil. We got silicone diff oil. We got, looks like, thread locker. Yeah, they gave us a whole bunch of stuff. We got blue thread locker, red thread locker. They gave us a lot of oils. That's pretty nice. I appreciate that. I never got that before. Here we got the tools. But you should get some good tools. But these are good to have. You should always keep those in the toolbox. Looks like spare body mounts. Yeah, they're spare body mounts. And these look like servo horns. Yes, they are servo horns and adapters. And there's another gear in here. With a gear and a replacement filter. Alright, that's everything that came in the box. I got a lot of work to do with this thing. Gotta change out the exhaust. Yeah, a lot of work to do because this is going to become a dragster and I have to do something with it. I don't know if I'm going to keep this motor in here for a little while or bring it out. But hopefully in the next coming days I'll have a running video for you guys so you can see what it's like. And I'll give you a better thought on it. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I plan to put some more stuff out. So if you want to see stuff, subscribe. Thanks again. Take care. Bye.